if I grow. Only way I'ma stay if I know.
The mild climate suits you. North Carolina offers a diverse climate with mild winters and pleasant summers, making it comfortable for those who enjoy a variety of seasons without extreme temperatures. You are attracted to natural beauty. From the picturesque Blue Ridge Mountains to the stunning Atlantic coastline, North Carolina boasts a diverse and beautiful landscape, perfect for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. You love going to the beach. If you love spending time on the coast, North Carolina has some of the most beautiful and accessible beaches in the United States, including the famous Outer Banks. You enjoy outdoor activities. The state provides ample opportunities for hiking, biking, fishing, camping, and other outdoor pursuits, thanks to its numerous parks, forests, and recreational areas. You thrive in the lower cost of living. North Carolina generally offers a lower cost of living compared to many other states, including affordable housing options. You are looking for more employment opportunities. Major cities like Raleigh, Charlotte, and Durham are thriving hubs for various industries, including technology, research, finance, and healthcare. You are looking for more educational options. North Carolina has several renowned universities and colleges, such as Duke University, the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill, and North Carolina State University, providing excellent educational opportunities. You are drawn to the Southern hospitality. North Carolinians are known for their friendliness and hospitality, creating a welcoming and inclusive atmosphere. If you are relocating to North Carolina or anywhere, please call me at 704-777-1793 or email prime1realty@gmail.com.